Hi guys, this is our bag number 6. Ito ay mini duffel bag. So, mustard yung kanyang color and yung ganyan ng kanyang strap. Ayan, super light new pa. Wala itong issue. Walang flaws ito. Yan yung kanyang design. Maganda yung kanyang leather. Ayan. Soft leather. Minimal signs of use lang po ito ha. Minimal signs of use since okay tayo. Ayan, yan yung kanyang zipper. And ito yung kanyang hardware. Silver na silver. Tapos ito yung kanyang inside. Tanggalin natin yung laman. Ayan, super linis na kanyang inside. Meron siyang zipper pocket dyan. Pocket. And then another zipper pocket. Ito is 350 pesos. Mine dito ng mustard. 350 pesos. Mine mustard, 350 pesos.